MD here. Have you ever? Yeah, I was thinking about those poor people out there, How do they feel? Those poor orphanages, they're not making enough money for it. Especially when they look into your eyes and they say, who is my mom? Who is my dad? Can we handle that? Okay, this invention is for the orphanages made at UNLV, so they're going to get a piece of the pie. Okay? Okay, so obviously we got a couple of companies involved. The remote control hydraulic couch transforming thermopedic into a bed. The couch remote control hydraulic transformation in the couch into bed. So I got a remote control, right? It's thermopedic, so it's a couch, right? It's thermopedic. Hey, if you can make it transform into a lazy boy, then into a couch, then into a bed, and it's hydraulically done and thermopedic, you got a deal. Okay, I want that to be made here at UNLV, and of course I want the orphan. It can be sold to it can be sold anywhere, but I want orphanages that get a big piece of the pie. FBI, what I said is for orphanages, UNLV, and thermopedic. Okay. Of course, hydraulic companies you're also in. Right? Now, if you want to add, the charging station and all that, the I got to charge my phone now. It's got a little tablet. Okay, make it happen. Now, students, remember, you got to take it easy on the price. And of course, embroiders, professional, like weavers and all that. Oh God, get to work. Oh, mine's got stars and galaxy on it and everything. Professional embroidering on it and everything. Artistical work. Get to work. Absolutely. Okay. So, God bless for the best. And I hope it sells like hotcakes. Have a nice night. Take care. My name is Michael D. Alvarado. God bless. Trying to put a smile on children out there of nothing. Eventually you will. Take care.